Tell you what, the weather sure is a lot nicer for traveling today than it was in the last video, except for it's pretty dang windy today. It's throwing the RV all over the road. That makes it kind of annoying, much more of a challenge.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
Alright, we're gonna see here what the rules are here. Cars only, trucks with trailers. I guess we gotta go over camping, prohibited area, any camping, unattended pets, private sales. Let's just go right here by the grass. Didn't see anything about, you know, how long the length of stay is, how long you can rest here, but no camping. Well, I don't think. What's that mean? Don't set your tent up over here somewhere? Anyway, it's too early in the day anyway. We're not going to stay long, I guess. Yeah, it's just a windy day. I hate driving in the wind. Huh, Bella? You know, it's not bad if it's a headwind or a tailwind, but when it's gusting, hitting you from the side, it's exhausting. It is. You really got to be on your, just every moment you have to be on your game. It's not like you can relax, like it's a Sunday drive in the country and just easy going. It's, you know, when's that next gust gonna hit? You know, it's tiring. It is. So we just might stop for a minute. I don't know what we're doing. Despite the wind, we should go on for a little while longer today. We're still not very far into West Virginia. I'd like to take a little more chunk out. Okay, we've driven another hour or so. Yeah, I'm ready to say heck with this.
Continue straight.
I'm ready to say the heck with this this windy day. It takes a toll on you.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-79 South.
Let's just pull here for now. See what we can figure out. A couple of things real quick. Let me close my maps. I have no time constraints. I guess I'm not officially retired. Well, I guess, I don't know. I'm at least semi-retired. I don't have to be anywhere. I don't have to answer to anybody. It's kind of nice. You know, when I get back to traveling again, it's always a warm-up thing for me. I'm not one to just say, "Hey, we're going to, you know, halfway across the country," and I don't make it a personal challenge to say, you know, how much ground can I possibly cover, and just go all day. You know, I'm not trying to get to South Carolina, or then we're going to Florida. You know, I don't pick a spot and say, boy, can we do that in one day, and just kill myself doing it. It'd probably take me a week to get there. And maybe not that long, but anyway, when I get to traveling again after being, you know, back up in Pennsylvania for the summer, and just traveling those short local trips, you know, it takes me a day. You know, let's travel a little bit, and then day two, you know, kind of go a little bit further, and then usually by day three, I could go quite a while, you know, if I want to. So we're kind of on par for that. You know, first day we only traveled 45 miles roughly. At least we got the rig out of the driveway. You know, got down, took care of tanks and stuff. Found a local Cracker Barrel, and stayed. So now day two, of course I edited this morning, so part of the day was shot anyway. It took me most of the morning. And then traveled several hours this afternoon. So I don't know exactly where we're at in West Virginia. I'm going to fire my maps back up here in a minute. Some other rest areas. But yeah, we come out of Pennsylvania almost directly to the south, entered West Virginia like in the Morgantown area, and then, you know, continued on. We're a chunk into West Virginia, but yeah, after several hours in this wind, I'm like, I'm ready to call it for day two. find a next local. And the trouble is in West Virginia, this part of West Virginia, anyhow, the Cracker Barrels are few and far between. The next one's like another 2 hours, and we've already, traveled how far? It's, so we might just find the nearest Walmart and check, see if they're RV friendly or not. And I'm not into finding a campground just yet, but I'm ready to get where I'm going or something for a while and consider a campground, because I don't like just staying in a campground for one night. I like to be there for a full day. So if you just get a night, check-in time, you're there for whatever remains of the afternoon and evening, and then the next morning you have to be out by checkout time, 11 a.m. or by noon. So the last half of the first day, and only a little bit, by the time you get up and have coffee and maybe some breakfast or whatever, you're gonna be about ready to go. I do, whether it's a free campground or a paid campground, I want to do 2 nights, because I want one full day there. I wake up there, I go all day to whatever, and I go to sleep, and then, I want a full day out of that. So we're not doing camp. We are gonna kind of beeline it to South Carolina at a comfortable pace for myself. Probably just hop from Cracker Barrels to Walmart's till we get there. Then we're gonna hang out for a few days, do some visiting. Anyway, it's I've had enough. That fight in the winds, I'm not trying to set a record here. All right.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-79 South.
All right, let's go. Oh, there was another dump station there, but it was definitely out of service. Anyway, we don't need it anymore. I reset my maps. The next nearest Walmart is 18 miles ahead. So,
Continue on I-79 South for 17 miles.
okay, 17 miles. So I hope they're RV friendly. There's an app. I probably could have checked it, see what the reviews said. I didn't bother. We're just gonna take our chances and hopefully we can stay.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Well, there's the real first price break I've seen. $2.83 a gallon. That's a little better than what I'm used to paying.
Turn left, then turn right.
Yeah, it's getting late enough in the day, actually, that if this doesn't work out, which I think it's going to, no truck or trailer parking, no semi-truck parking allowed. As long as there's not any no overnight parking, no semis.
Take the next right, then turn right.
Man, there's plenty of that. No truck parking, no semi-truck parking allowed at any time. There's plenty of those signs. Oh, although there is a semi-truck up here parked.
In 500 feet, turn right.
Truck entrance. Yeah, they have to have deliveries.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, it's late enough in the day that I should allow for a plan B, right? Let me see here. Yeah, there's a Coachman Murata over there. Yeah, no signs whatsoever about no overnight parking. So we'll see. I might have to park a little bit different though, because I don't think I can park like this when I'm towing the car. I can probably just get it out of the other spot. I think Bella was ready for another break anyway. I know I am. Well, with any luck, no truck parking. If that truck leaves, actually I'll swing around a little bit and maybe park over here tonight with my door at the grass. Bella will like that. That's handy. Come on. Look at this nice field. We can go out here. We can go out here a little ways and let her off leash. Look at all that. Come on, girl. What, has there been another dog here? Come on, come on, come on. Although, it does say no trespassing, private property, violators will be prosecuted. Oh, that's a shame. Nice to go through for a nice walk. Come on, let's go down this way. Yeah, it feels good to be off the road. I feel it. I haven't driven in a while. Long distances, that is. In the Coachman at that. It's a little more comfortable in the van. It's even more comfortable in the Fiesta. Okay, there he goes. I just whipped up a quick dinner. Some baked potato with some cheddar, sour cream, and some breaded chicken tenders. So that is, maybe it's not the most healthiest meal. Not too bad, right? But that's what's for dinner tonight. All right, dinner's done. Come on, Bella. Okay, what was that about? No rig parking? There's 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Oh, we got a neighbor back there, big Class A. We got Coachman Murata moved over. Yeah, a couple of rigs here. Anyway, so it was a boring, kind of a boring second day, just full of me being busy just trying to keep the rig on the dang road. But the good news is, I looked at the weather forecast, and tomorrow it's supposed to be a beautiful day and less wind. So, and gonna get an early start, fill the tank up with gas, and go and get some decent amount of miles in. See if we can get down to well, the rest of the way out of West Virginia, through Virginia, into North Carolina. Getting into South Carolina would be pushing it, but that's our destination. Yeah, that's getting pretty far. I don't know if we'll quite make that, but anyway, we're gonna have looking forward to having a better go at it in the morning. Early start. All right, so all right, boring day, boring travel day, not much to see, just too busy just navigating. That's it. All right, thanks for coming along. I'll see you later.